Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this lovely Range Rover Autobiography 4.4 V8 in Carpathian Grey. This car's previously had one owner and is next due for a service in April 2022. As it's an approved used vehicle, you get a minimum 12 months warranty and minimum 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. So I'm going to give you a 360 tour round and then I'll show you inside the vehicle. You have pixel LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, giving the car a modern exterior. 22-inch 5-split spoke silver finish alloys. Going into the back of the vehicle, you've got plenty of space there for 3 passengers, along with ISOFIX brackets, which is practical for families, and a centre armrest which is electric, ensuring maximum comfort. Continuing around the car, you also have a powered tailgate, which is useful if you have your hands full. Plenty of space there in the boot for items like golf clubs, push chairs and shopping. You also have a parcel shelf to keep your personal items more secure. And a spare wheel in case of any accidents. This vehicle also has privacy glass and keyless entry. Going into the driver's side, you have autobiography tread plates, a leather steering wheel, an ebony and ivory leather interior, along with satin straight walnut veneer, and a sliding panoramic roof, allowing a lot more light into the car. Soft door close, and this car's done 30,755 miles. That's the end of the 360 tour. I'm now going to show you inside the car. So on your right you have memory seats, which is practical if there's several people driving the vehicle, and a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. Electric windows and electrically folding wing mirrors, which is really helpful if you're in a tight space. You also have blind spot monitor, which is practical for motorway driving. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, perfect for long journeys. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must, especially in winter. Bluetooth, allowing you to make calls whilst on the go. And voice control, so you can make commands like changing the radio without being distracted. On the screen in front you can view and change your display, view your vehicle settings, vehicle information, media, driver assistance and trip. In the middle you have a touchscreen with sat nav and DAB radio, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 360-degree surround camera, along with a normal rear view camera, making parking and reversing so much easier. Timed climate, so you can set the temperature inside the car without even getting in, which is perfect for winter. Valet mode, enabling you to lock the screen so a valet can only access your climate control. You also have ambient lighting with many different colours to choose from, which looks really effective, especially in the dark. Different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving. Heated and cooled front seats, practical for winter and summer. And these seats also arm massage, ensuring every journey is relaxing. In your armrest you have a cooler compartment, which is useful for long journeys and keeping refreshments cold. Stepping back outside the car, thank you for watching this video on this gorgeous Range Rover Autobiography 4.4 V8 in Carpathian Grey, which is part of our approved used. We offer many different finance packages, so if you would like a personalised quote or to book a test drive, please just call 01785 899 446. Thank you.